When a router is reset, it may fail to connect to the internet due to several reasons. One common issue is incorrect cable connections, which can occur when unplugging and replugging cables during the reset process. To resolve this, it is essential to check the network cable and ensure it is connected according to the manufacturer's specifications. Another possible reason is outdated router firmware, which can impact the device's functionality, connectivity, and performance. To address this, visit the router manufacturer's support page, find the specific router model, and navigate to the firmware section to check for and install the latest version. After updating the firmware, reboot the router and check if it connects to the internet. Additionally, a service outage may be the cause of the issue, which can occur due to maintenance or other problems with the internet service provider. To confirm, contact the provider to inquire about outages in the area, and if one is reported, wait for the issue to be resolved. These are the common reasons why a router may not connect to the internet after a reset.